The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This Malaysian Chinese stir-fry features chicken marinated in ginger and soy, flash-fried with crisp dried chilies. The chilies are toasted in oil until deep reddish brown, infusing the dish with smoky heat. A glossy gravy thickened with tapioca flour and flavored with Worcestershire, sesame oil, and rice wine coats everything. Less numbing than its Sichuan cousin but sweeter, it's a vibrant pantry staple delivering bold, smoky, savory perfection. Main ingredients: chicken meat, 1½ cup, cut into bite-sized pieces. Dried red chilies, 1/2 cup stems and seeds removed, cut into 5 cm lengths. Cooking oil, 3 tablespoons. Marinade, light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Tapioca flour, 2 teaspoons. Ginger juice, from 1 cm knob of ginger HA gravy sauce. Water, 1/4 cup. Tapioca flour, 1 teaspoon. Light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon. Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon. Sesame oil, 1/2 teaspoon. Rice wine, 2 teaspoons. Sugar, 1 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Cut the chicken. Cut the chicken meat into uniform bite-sized pieces. Uniformity matters here. Evenly cut pieces cook at the same rate, so nothing dries out while you wait for thicker chunks to finish. Set aside in a mixing bowl. Step 2. Prepare the dried red chilies. Remove the stems and seeds from the dried red chilies. Wash them very quickly under running water, a brief rinse, not a soak, or they will lose their crispness and turn soggy. Cut them into 5 cm lengths. Spread them on a tray and dry them in the sun until crisp, or toast them briefly in a dry pan over low heat if sun drying is not practical. The chilies must be brittle and dry. Any residual moisture will cause splattering when they hit hot oil. Step 3. Extract ginger juice. Pound a 1 cm knob of ginger in a mortar until finely crushed. Wrap the pounded ginger in a small piece of muslin cloth or squeeze it directly with your fingers over a small bowl to extract the juice. You need roughly 1–2 teaspoons of liquid. Discard the fibers. Step 4. Marinate the chicken. In the mixing bowl with the chicken, add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons tapioca flour, and the freshly extracted ginger juice. Toss well to coat every piece evenly. Leave to marinate for at least 30 minutes. The tapioca flour tenderizes the meat and gives the exterior a light velvety coating that grips the gravy later, while the ginger juice neutralizes any gamey flavor. Step 5. Mix the gravy. In a small bowl, combine the 1/4 cup water with the remaining 1 teaspoon tapioca flour and 1 tablespoon light soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon sesame oil, 2 teaspoons rice wine, and 1 teaspoon sugar. Stir until the tapioca flour dissolves completely and the mixture is smooth. Set aside. This will be poured into the wok at the end to form the glossy sauce. Cooking steps. Step 1. Toast the dried chilies. Heat 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in a wok over low heat. Add the dried red chilies and fry gently for about 1/2 minute until they darken to a deep reddish brown color. Watch closely. Dried chilies burn in seconds and burnt chilies turn bitter. The moment they release their smoky, spicy aroma and deepen in color, remove them from the oil with a slotted spoon and keep aside. Step 2. Fry the chicken. Remove all the remaining oil from the wok, leaving just a thin film. Turn the heat up to medium-high. Add the marinated chicken pieces in a single layer. Let them sear for a few seconds before stirring so the tapioca flour coating sets and the chicken develops a light golden crust. Fry, stirring occasionally, until the chicken pieces are cooked through, about 3–4 minutes. The pieces should be just opaque all the way through with a faintly glossy exterior. Step 3. Thicken the gravy. Give the gravy mixture a quick stir, then pour it into the wok over the chicken. Fry continuously, tossing the chicken to coat, until the gravy thickens into a glossy, clingy sauce that enrobes each piece. This takes only 30–60 seconds. The tapioca flour activates fast. Step 4. Reunite with chilies and serve. Return the toasted dried red chilies to the wok. Toss everything together for a final 15–20 seconds so the chilies distribute throughout and their toasted flavor permeates the sauce. Taste and adjust seasoning with a pinch of salt or sugar if needed. Transfer to a serving plate and serve immediately with steamed white rice.